Hello, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com doing a color comparison video for Shelby today. She wanted to see the differences between our Oak Natural, Krypton, Hickory, and Ivory Tower. Here I've got some samples sitting right on top of Krypton, and the sample of the Oak Natural, just like this, same color tones as Krypton. The big difference would be that Krypton has some character to it. So you see you've got all these knot details and board variation. Just gives it a little more of a rustic look if you want that. And the Oak Natural is more refined without knots and just a very subtle variation from plank to plank. I have a piece of hickory here to place next to these. Still very similar tones, maybe a little more hint of an undertone of red for the hickory, as that's how it naturally looks. And then here's the Ivory Coast. It is pretty consistent and would overall be more of a whitewash and cream color. I'm going to take these samples and go over to the other parts of our display to compare those. We have all these colors out on the showroom floor, so certainly ask about these. If you're interested in samples, we'll be glad to send samples for you. Getting over here to the Hickory Natural. I'll lay these out again to help you visualize. Okay, so on the left there is the Krypton. In the middle is the Oak Natural. And then of course the Ivory. The Ivory happens to be right next to the Hickory. Okay. And then I'll just go right over here to the Oak Natural so you can see that. Very clean, refined look. Oak Natural, SPC020 right on our website. Hickory Natural, SPC016. Ivory Tower, SPC015, and then back to the Krypton, SPC002. Let us know what you think about these colors, and let me know if you'd like to do a comparison video of any of our colors. You can go directly to WeShipFloors.com, use the model numbers I provided. Let us know if you have any questions. We are here to help. Thank you so much, and bye for now.